Let's consider what the ratio 4 to 3 means. This means that for every 4 parts we have 3 parts of something else. We're told that A to B is equal to this. So A to B must simplify down or be the same as this. Let's simplify this down to the ratio of 2 to 1. If I have 2 to 1 and I was label the 2 as oxygen and the 1 as carbon, then if I was to draw some carbon dioxide molecules, I could have 1 carbon atom here connected with 2 oxygen atoms. And if I was to make more of these, so I'll make a few of these molecules, then we're still keeping that ratio, because if I look into here, we have 5 carbon atoms, but the oxygen, we have 10 of those. So we have a ratio of 10 to 5. Now clearly that's the same as 2 to 1, because we've got the same proportion between the carbon and the oxygen. We can simplify down this ratio if we wanted to. So 10 to 5, we can divide the 10 by 5. That gives us 2. And we can also divide the 5 by 5. That gives us 1. So we can show that 2 to 1 is the same as 10 to 5. Going back to this example up here where we have 4 to 3. A and B could be anything. A could be 8. If A is 8, though, then B must be 6. If A was 12, then that would make B 9. So A and B, as long as it simplifies down to this ratio, then we're happy, as long as it keeps those proportions. Let's go through each of these and see which is true. Now, we can rule out one of these straight away because we know that A is bigger than B. So B can't be 4/3 of A. That's just not true. Because that indicates that B is bigger than A. That's not the way around this is. So it must be one of these other 3. So that basically means equals. 4/7 of means times. A, that's equal to 4. And B, that's equal to 3. Now if we were to times 4 and 4 over 7, we're not going to get 3. This just isn't true. So we can exclude this one. And we could do the same for this one as well. It's just not true. That leaves us with this one here. Let's verify if that's true. So B, that's equal to 3, is 3/4 of A. If we times 3 over 4 by 4, we times the numerators together. So if we have 3/4, we have 4 lots of 3/4, that's going to give us 12/4. 12 over 4 is equal to 3. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3.